government is steadfast in its pursuit of a world-class justice system dedicated to providing justice and transforming lives. Key initiatives such as enhancing court infrastructure and tackling case backlogs are at the forefront of the Ministry of Justice's efforts.
The parish courts are now effectively backlog-free. This is a major achievement. The statistics show that less than 2.5% of the cases are in backlog, which means these cases have not been tried in 24 months. To put it differently, approximately 98% of cases are completed within 24 months. Close to 90% of all the cases are tried and completed within 12 months. The likelihood is that before long, 100% of cases will be tried and completed within 18 months in the parish courts. Indeed, going forward, the parish court's mission is to complete simple cases within 3 months, standard cases within 6 months, complex cases within 12 months, and all cases within 18 months. When achieved, and it will be soon, Jamaica's court system will rank amongst the best.
The recent cabinet approval for an increased stipend for jurors is testament to the commitment to enhance the judicial process.
Each juror whose name is called for any circuit will be paid $2,000 for each day that juror attends circuit, or $2,000. Jurors who are impaneled and who serve on a case will now get $6,000 instead of the present $2,000, a 200% increase.
The relentless drive to improve court resources and infrastructure continues to underpin the ministry's vision for a robust justice system.
Shortly, we will be putting in solar panels. We have started at the Sun Street and the halfway tree courts, and we hope to put solar panels in most of the courts across Jamaica. This, Madam Speaker, will ensure that we move towards the greener environment. One new court we hope that will be opened this year, and that is the St. Thomas in Morant Bay. The urban center is being developed, and that new court will be hopefully opened in this fiscal year. In addition to the over $300 million that we'll be spending to improve all the other courts.
Amidst Jamaica's remarkable economic growth, the Justice Ministry remains focused on settling judgment debts for completed cases, ensuring timely justice.
2023, the government provided us with $750 million to pay judgment debt. We paid out $530 million for all infractions and returned $220 million back to the government. We want to make sure that when people sue the government for whatever infractions, that they get their money. And under this administration, we have done it for the last 8 years.
And for this fiscal year,
the Ministry of Finance, the government, has provided us with $680 million this year.
The Legal Aid Council tirelessly pursues its mission to provide free quality legal support and effective representation for those who need it. To ensure the service is reaching more citizens, the Council is providing Jamaican Sign Language training for its lawyers. In the 2024-2025 financial year, the ministry also plans to expand duty counsel services and boost case resolution rates across the parish, gun and circuit courts, as well as the Court of Appeal. It will also continue addressing the justice needs of persons with disabilities. The Justice Ministry is proposing the use of mediation to deal with estate matters at the Administrator General's Department AGD. The department currently has over 5,000 active estates and more than 900 enquiry cases in administration, including 338 matters from 2023-24. Over the past 5 years, the AGD has taken on an average 360 new cases per year and average 420 closed during the relevant period.
Where we have a problem really right now is to get the beneficiaries to come together and agree how the thing should be apportioned. What I'm planning to do is to get a mediation department in the Administrator General's department to deal with all these beneficiaries who curse one another as to what portion they should get, even though the law is there to tell them what portion they're to get.
Efforts are underway to update the Restorative Justice Act to keep it effective and relevant.
In 2023-24, I tabled a copy of the Restorative Justice Policy Green Paper. The policy's revision is geared towards improving the implementation of the National Restorative Justice Program. We embarked on several initiatives for public engagement and feedback, and to date there have been no objections. I'm looking forward, Madam Speaker, to tabling the white paper during this financial year with a view to have an updated Restorative Justice Act shortly thereafter.
Mediation continues to be actively used as a dispute resolution option to arrive at mutually acceptable agreements.
Sometime shortly, we hope to bring to Parliament a new Mediation Act, which we hope, like arbitration, will position Jamaica as a dispute or commercial dispute center that other countries or parties can visit Jamaica to have their matters settled.
And on the matter of expungement?
A number of persons apply for expungement, but we have limited it to a few cases, and also the sentence must not be over 5 years. Madam Speaker, it's an area that we are looking at carefully because there are many persons who have had a sentence over 5 years, sometimes 10, 12 years. They have served their sentence, they're in their communities, they have lived 20 years without any further conviction, and we need to really examine carefully whether those cases an expungement could be provided. It is a matter that I'm taking to Cabinet and have discussions before I take it to Parliament.
The evidence is in. Much has already been achieved, and even more is on the docket for the Ministry of Justice in the 2024-2025 legislative year.